Discovery phase mRNA is our research-grade mRNA offering at TriLink. The clients who are involved in our discovery phase platform are really hunting for the next construct to take forward to the clinic and ultimately to the market. So we're supporting clients through screening studies, through development of their ideal construct, trying to get every detail right so that when they go to GMP, they know what they're going forward with, they have confidence in the design of their mRNA and the performance of the manufacturing process that they're going to be working with. So our clients want to start by identifying the right sequence that's going to have the most efficacy and the best safety data in their hands. So they're going to start by doing that through screening studies, and they may need to screen 10 constructs and they may need to screen 100. From there, we help them to develop just the right parameters for their construct and their application. And that means looking at customizations like your capping analog, your modified nucleotides, what UTRs you're using, how long your poly-A tail is, and what purification methods you're going to go forward into the clinic with. From there, we can help them scale up so that they can test these larger batches, maybe in some in vivo studies, get some toxicology data, and then we help transfer it over to our GMP and tech transfer teams who prepare these constructs through formal engineering runs and then into phase 1 GMP manufacturing. We have a lot of experts who work here at TriLink who are deep in the details on the different parameters that a construct can be customized with to enable our customers to get to those later phase GMP runs with kind of peace of mind, a construct that's going to perform well in their application, and a manufacturing process that's going to be scalable and perform as expected. So I think, what makes us unique is really our ability to partner with our clients in developing the right construct through the right platform to meet their needs and their application.